You don't need to pay massive monthly API bills for closed-source models anymore. Everything you need, from powerful language models and ultra-fast image generators to complete AI web applications, is sitting right on Hugging Face for free. In this video, I am going to give you a straightforward overview of the entire platform. I'll show you exactly how to navigate it, find the most powerful open-weight models, and understand how deployment and pricing work so you can use it for your own projects.
When you first open Hugging Face, it can look incredibly overwhelming with millions of models available. The easiest way to think about Hugging Face is like GitHub, but instead of just storing regular code repositories, it stores AI models, datasets, and web apps.
To find what you actually need without getting lost, you want to head straight to the Models tab. On the left side, you will see a massive list of filters, sorted by tasks. If you want a model that can generate text, chat, or write code, you filter by text generation. If you want to generate images, you filter by text to image. There are also filters for audio, computer vision, and data analysis. To see what is actually working well right now, always sort the results by trending or most liked. This lets you immediately spot the latest open weights models that everyone is talking about. When you click on a model, the first thing you see is the model card. This is just a README file that tells you exactly what the model does, how it performs, and its license. Always check the license to see if you can use it for commercial projects or if it is restricted to research only.
Once you find a model you like, you do not have to download it to your computer just to see if it works. Instead, you can use Hugging Face Spaces. Spaces are essentially mini web apps hosted directly on the platform, where developers showcase models in action. When you click on the Spaces tab, you can search for the model you are interested in or look at the trending section. You can find Spaces running state-of-the-art image generators, fast voice cloning tools, or interactive chat interfaces. You can type in a prompt, hit generate, and see the results instantly in your browser, completely for free. This saves you hours of setup time, because you can test the capabilities of a model before committing to it. When you want to take things a step further and look at how these models handle production workloads, you can deploy them onto dedicated cloud infrastructure with a single click. Hugging Face makes it incredibly easy to spin up any model from the hub directly onto major cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or their own hardware setups. Instead of wasting time managing virtual machines or setting up drivers, you just select the model, choose your provider, and pick a GPU to get a live, private endpoint running. The best part is the auto-scaling configuration, which lets the underlying hardware automatically shut down to 0 when your application isn't receiving traffic, so you only pay for the exact minutes the server is actively processing requests. Understanding how the platform bills for these services depends on the account plan you choose. The base Hugging Face account is completely free and gives you unlimited public repositories and standard access to basic spaces. If you need an upgrade, the Pro tier is $9 a month, which unlocks 10 times more private storage capacity, advanced developer modes, and priority access to running powerful GPU spaces. For actual team setups, they offer a team plan at $20 per user each month, which adds better collaboration and security controls. Any heavy compute you use outside of the base tiers, like running dedicated GPUs for your deployments, is simply billed on a clear pay-as-you-go per-minute rate. Navigating the hub, testing open-source models inside Spaces, and understanding how to scale them with cloud deployments gives you full control over your AI setup without the heavy costs. That covers the core overview of how the platform works. If you found this useful and want to see more breakdowns like this, check out my channel for more videos.